Hi again. I'm quickly going to show you a product demo. This is the Cheerio company brain. We specialize on BFSI as well as e-commerce. So banking sector in the Sin Bank, one of India's largest banks, so, servicing about 50 million customers. And they are our customer. It's a 100K account. So they've got a bunch of places where, their company repository sits. It could be accounting or tally data. It could be HRMS. It could be CRM and CDBs like MoEngage, CleverTap. You've got note takers, you've got files, specifically spreadsheets that contain a lot of fraud information from previous frauds. So all of this data comes in an unstructured format, then gets structured by our company brain. And now we've got a business outcome here, reduce fraud rate. Okay, basis this, I need to structure the data further and cross-reference a lot of various sources. I'll be doing that. And once I do that, I have got a skills.md file that's generated. And as you can see, it is referencing a lot of various places in the sources. It has got a bunch of fraud related data from past spreadsheets, and it can use this to cross reference which new customer is again a past fraudster, right? So it's also ISO SOC 2 compliant. BFSI love that. They are really, really high on compliance, and we have cracked the vertical and we know how to cross compliances. So all of this data then flows into outbound agents that can be very simple agents like chat agents or voice agents or could be coding agents. But here in this case, we do a KYC and anti-money laundering or US sanction list agent. And once it checks all of this data, IP, as well as the kind of words these customers are using and cross-reference, it can figure out that there's a fraud. It can then talk to the coding agent and update the backend logic for stopping these customers. And voila, as soon as the next time these guys try to sign up, they are immediately restricted, right? You can set up all of these agents, and we have got our company brain to create glue code that it can create a bunch of these connectors day in and day out. We've also added the vibe code for it, and you can query the brain. Of course, you can query the brain. So here I am trying to re-engage inactive contacts. I can do that very easily. I can also sort of go back and look at churn risk customers. As you can see from Gmail, I've got an inbound thread analysis of 67 customers who have raised credit card disputes. I've got, HNIs, about 23 HNI customers who have not expressed very good CSAT. And I can actually handle a lot of these customers and figure out where they might be more happy with my systems. I can send a voice agent to get them back. I can have a chat agent talk to them. Of course, there's a company brain. There's also a MCP server that can talk to um, various coding agents and make the UI better for the customer, right? So I can set up a voice agent. I can quickly make it talk to the customer, or I can have the company brain directly send out information sent by company brain. So as you can see, this is not a plain vanilla company brain that just does querying. It can actually get things done for you. It can have business outcomes handled for you, and it can talk to customers and make them happier over time and make your systems better. Thank you so much.